Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Grammar Fun. My name is Jaya and we will be learning grammar together. What we are going to learn today is formal letter. How to write a formal letter. What is a formal letter? Formal letters are written as part of official communications and follow a specific format. People use formal letters for professional communications such as job applications, business communication, recommendation, complaint, and invitation letters. What is the format of a formal letter? First and foremost, everything is written to the left hand side of the margin. So you begin with your address. After that, you leave a line. Then you write the date. Then you will leave a line. Then you write the recipient address, the person who is writing the letter. And then you will leave a line. You'll write the subject. Subject is overall what is the letter about. After that, after leaving a line, you will write the salutation or greeting. It can be dear sir, madam, Mr., Mrs., Miss, respected. After that, you will leave a line and write the body. The body of the letter contains what you want to write to the person. After that, you will leave a line and write thanking you. Then you will leave a line. Then you will write the closing of the letter. That can be yours faithfully, yours truly, sincerely, most respected, yours. After that, you will leave a line and write the signature and your name. There are some tips for formatting your letter. First one, to make sure your letter looks professional, follow these tips. Your letter should be simple and focused. You don't need to write like an essay. It should be simple and to the point. Second one, left justify your letter. That means you have to write towards the left margin. Third one, use a plain font such as Arial, New Times New Roman, Courier New, or Verdana. The font size should be 10 or 12 points. This is used if you are doing it on the computer. If you're writing it, then this point is invalid. Then leave a blank line after the salutation and before the closing. So after the salutation and before the closing, just like how I explained in the previous slide, you have to leave a line after each and everything. First question. Write a letter to the librarian apologizing for losing the book you had borrowed. Promise to replace it or pay the amount charged for the loss of the book. So let us look at the answer of that. So we have to begin with our address. That is 42 Wavadi Road, Inner Circular Road, Morbi. I've just given a 3-line address. After that, you have to leave a line and I've written the date. Now the date format has to be in this form only. First the date, then the month, then the year. You cannot write in any other format. 16 July 2020, whether it's 18 July 2020, any other dates. Then you leave a line and you write the address of the person to whom you want to send. So the librarian, you're writing it to the librarian, Awesome School, Morbi, 363641. After that, you leave a line and you write the subject. So what is the subject? What is the overall letter about? You're apologizing for losing the library book. Then you leave a line and you write respected ma'am. Okay, if it's ma'am or sir, accordingly, comma, you leave a line. Then you write, I'm sorry I lost the science textbook that you had issued to me. You gave me the book to take home so that I can be able to finish my homework, and I was supposed to return it on Monday, which is today in the morning. I was to pick the book from your desk on Friday before the school bus came to pick us. When the bus came, I checked the book and did not put it in the bag. In the bus, I placed the book on the bus. I alighted and forgot to take the book. I'm going to ask the driver if he saw the book in the bag and also ask the other students if they could have taken the book. If not found, I promise to replace it or pay the amount charged for the loss of the book. I promise to be more careful in handling it. Then you write, that's the body of the letter. After that, you will leave a line. Here I didn't have space. You will leave a line and write thanking you. After that, again, you will leave a line and write yours faithfully and the name. If there is a name mentioned in the question, then you should use that name. But here names are not mentioned in the question. So I have used my own. name. Second question. Write a letter to the editor of a local newspaper complaining about the poorly maintained roads and the inadequate lighting in your neighborhood. You must mention that the residents are greatly inconvenienced because of these conditions. Open manholes and frequent thefts are adding to the problems. The local administration has not taken any effort to set matters right, so you wish to enlist public sympathy through this letter. So first we write the our address 42 Wavdi Road, Inner Circular Road, Morbi. Then we write the date 16 July 2020. Then we write to whom we are writing the letter. So in this question we are writing it to the editor. The Hindu is the name of the newspaper, Morbi. After that you write the subject. What is the subject? Poorly maintained roads and inadequate lighting. So respected sir, I would like to express my concern on the poor conditions of roads and inadequate lighting in my locality through the columns of your esteemed newspaper. I am really concerned about the poor quality of roads, as a result of which many accidents take place almost every day. This poor condition of the road is actually a widespread issue not only in my locality or city but in the whole nation. The conditions become even worse after rains or monsoon. The rains make the roads even more damaged. This results in water logging and causes a lot of troubles. Not only this, but there also uncovered manholes which get covered with water after rains. You know how dangerous these are for small children. The lighting system is also damaged or out of order. We have complained to the authorities many a time, but no one responded. So, I would like to draw the attention of the higher authorities through your renowned newspaper to this matter of poor conditions of roads. I request the concerned authorities to take appropriate steps to improve the condition of the roads. I will be really grateful if you can publish this letter in a column of your newspaper. Thanking you, yours faithfully, Jaya. So after each one, you have to leave one line. So this is the second letter. I hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.